start modeling a 3D object. The one that we are going to model is this object. In order to model something in 3D, you have multiple ways, and you do not need to necessarily follow every steps that I'm going through. So in the middle, we have a half circle or an arc with the radius of 25. I come back to SolidWorks. From the basic planes, I choose front plane. We have something called normal to, but we are already normal to this plane, so I do not need to select it. And in the ribbon, we have arc. When I click on the arrow, we have three different options. Center point arc, the first one, is the most appropriate one for my purpose. I select it. I put the center of the arc on the origin. I come to the right, to the left, and now we have a nice half circle. Here we need to specify the radius of the circle. The radius is 25. I type it, and then we have 1, 2, 3, and 4 lines. I come back to SolidWorks, and from the ribbon I select line. One line here, another one here, a tilted one, and one here. So I do not want to repeat what I have done here. Just before that, as we can see, this line is black and these are in blue. So the difference is the blue ones are not fully defined, but the black one is fully defined. This means that when I click on one of these and drag it, I can make them bigger, smaller, so they are not fixed. In order to do so, we need to add some dimensions and relations. But before doing so, I do not want to repeat it, so we can mirror these three lines. In order to do so, I come here to the mirror entities, and as you can see, one line is selected. I do not need it. I right click and delete it. So entities to mirror, this line, and this one. And we are going to select something to mirror about it. When I come here, we have a hidden tree. I can expand the menu, and we have three different planes. Front plane doesn't work for me. Top plane is not good for this purpose, but the right plane is perfect. I select it, and now I have those three lines. Hit the green check mark, and now as you can see, these two are not connected. So how can I connect them? By adding a relation. I select this point, I hold Control and select this one. Now we have the menu add relations. What we need is make them merge them. So I merge it, and now they are connected to each other. So now the lines are blue and I want to make them black, which is fully defined. I come to the ribbon here and I choose a smart dimension. For the circle, the radius is already 25, so I accept it. Zoom out a little bit. You can zoom in and zoom out with your scroll on the mouse. Select this line. The length is 25. This one also is 25. And from the bottom to this line, the distance is 25 plus 25. So I select this one, again this, and 50. And the angle here would be 135 degrees. So I put this angle here, 135, and there we go. Now we have everything in black, which is fully defined. Now we are ready to go to the features and make this sketch to something 3D.